Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize English skills with Duolingo, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Duolingo app or visiting the website. Create an account using your email or social media login. Choose English as the language you want to learn. Set a daily goal that matches your learning pace. Begin with the basics section to build a strong foundation. Practice regularly by completing daily lessons and exercises. Utilize the speaking exercises to improve pronunciation. Engage with the listening tasks to enhance your comprehension skills. Take advantage of the vocabulary review feature to reinforce what you learn. Participate in Duolingo's community forums for support and tips. Explore the stories feature to practice reading skills in a fun context. Use the speaking and writing challenges to assess your progress. Consider joining a closed group or finding a language partner for additional practice. Track your progress using the app's statistics and adjust your goals as needed. Experiment with Duolingo's podcasts for listening in real-world contexts. Stay motivated by engaging with gamified elements, such as earning gems and maintaining a streak. Review previous lessons frequently to solidify your understanding. Avoid rushing through the lessons, take your time to grasp each concept. Incorporate English media, like movies or music, to complement your learning. Experiment with other resources like books or online forums for a well-rounded approach. Remember to celebrate your milestones to keep your enthusiasm high. With dedication and consistent practice, you will see significant improvements in your English skills. Stay curious and open to learning new things along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.